Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, the #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing, can any cryptocurrency replace fiat? The cryptocurrency community tried to predict how digital currencies will someday take over the world and stand on the spot of fiat currencies. However, there are several problems that the industry has to tackle before becoming mainstream. Some economists view cryptocurrency with quite a bit of disdain, even though some traditional financial institutions pointed out the importance of the concept of blockchain technology and even announced working on developing or adopting something similar. Only a few have made any suggestion that they will adopt cryptocurrencies at the expense of fiat money. Even though cryptocurrencies have a long way to go before being considered mainstream, some obvious signs show various cryptocurrencies are making it in the traditional business space. When talking about cryptocurrency taking over fiat, we have to think about which one would be the best replacement for the traditional financial system. Bitcoin is the one cryptocurrency that remains most likely to become mainstream and get adopted by the world on a large scale. While there is no single authoritative list of companies that accept cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Cointelegraph suggests that over 54 major companies currently accept one or more cryptocurrencies, and out of the 54 companies, just 2 don't accept Bitcoin. Looking at this statistic, Bitcoin easily outspaces all other cryptocurrencies at the moment. Altcoins. Altcoins are cryptocurrencies that are an alternative to Bitcoin. They tend to see lower levels of acceptance among major companies, as fewer companies want to take such a risk. Cointelegraph suggests that when compared with the 52 major companies that accepted Bitcoin at the moment, only 25 accept Litecoin, 13 accept Ethereum, 14 accept Bitcoin Cash, 15 accept Dogecoin, and 12 accept Monero. However, these 52 companies reported by Cointelegraph are not the only ones who accept cryptocurrencies. Use Bitcoin is a directory that lists over 5,000 businesses and realtors, with nearly all of them accepting Bitcoin. On the other hand, the large majority of these companies don't accept other cryptocurrencies. More and more businesses are accepting cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, or are even developing their own ones. Cryptocurrencies are witnessing wider acceptance as the years go by. Places that have accepted only Bitcoin in the past started accepting Litecoin, Ethereum, or some other cryptocurrency. On top of that, there are even ATMs which offer cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. That being said, Bitcoin is still dominant in the cryptocurrency space. In the end, it's difficult to guess if cryptocurrencies will get mainstream, and if they will, which will break into the mainstream most decisively. Bitcoin has an advantage of being the biggest name and largest market cap cryptocurrency, as well as being the first one to break into the market. However, altcoins continue to grow in popularity against Bitcoin, even when we take into consideration the bear market. At the moment, no cryptocurrency has effectively become mainstream and overtaken fiat in any aspect in any part of the world. In conclusion, there is a possibility that cryptocurrencies may one day take over the role of money from fiat currencies. However, the obstacles they face at the moment, such as widespread adoption, regulation and such, are extending the horizon enough for the analysis to be unable to predict the future outcome. One thing is certain, and that is cryptocurrencies are groundbreaking technology. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and comment down below if there's anything you'd like us to cover in future, or if you would like to discuss the topics we have covered. Have a great day.